Hello everyone. In the previous video, we learned how to install and configure a WireGuard VPN server on Linux. In this video, we will continue by configuring the WireGuard VPN Client on Android to connect the phone to the VPN server we created, creating a private connection between the phone and our VPN server. In the previous video, we created the client profiles, including the .conference file and QR code. For smartphones, you can use the QR code to import the WireGuard configuration more quickly, instead of manually copying the configuration file to the phone. Once the QR code is ready, now open your Android phone to start installing and configuring the WireGuard client. On your phone, open the Play Store to access the Android App Store. On the main Play Store interface, tap the search box to search for the WireGuard app. Then, tap Install to install the WireGuard app. Make sure you choose the correct app developed by WireGuard Development Team to avoid installing an unofficial application. After the installation is complete, tap Open to launch the WireGuard app on your phone. On the main WireGuard interface, tap the plus icon to create a new VPN tunnel on the phone. In this example, we will import the configuration using a QR code, so select Scan from QR code. The system will ask for camera permission to scan the QR code. Here, select Only this time to allow the app to use the camera for this scan only. Then, scan the QR code displayed on your computer screen to import the WireGuard configuration into your phone. Next, enter a tunnel name for this VPN connection. You can use an easy-to-remember name, so it will be easier to identify later if you have multiple WireGuard profiles. After creating it, you will see the new tunnel appear in the WireGuard list. Tap the tunnel you just created to view its configuration details. Here, you will see the tunnel configuration details, including the profile name, the phone's VPN IP address, DNS servers, the server public key, endpoint, and the traffic range that will go through the VPN. To connect to the VPN, simply toggle the switch on the right to activate the WireGuard tunnel you just created. If you see the key icon appear in the status bar and the transfer section starts showing sent and received data, it means the Android phone has successfully connected to the WireGuard VPN server. That's it. We have completed the WireGuard client setup on Android, imported the configuration using a QR code, and successfully connected to the WireGuard VPN server. I hope you can follow along successfully. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to support the channel. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.